Students, by looking at the graph, you should tell what's the order of reaction, and let me tell you that this is a linear graph. Linear graph is y is proportional to x graph. Let's recheck this. We have a x input, y output. When x is 0, 1, 2, 3, y is also 0, 1, 2, 3. This is a linear graph. Am I right? When this is 0, this is 0. Like it goes. Now, when I will just plot the graph along x-axis 0, 1, 2, 3. Along y-axis 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. For 0, 0, for 1, 1, for 2, 2, for 3, 3. We have a linear graph passing through origin. So you're saying that y is proportional to x. So what is there along y-axis? It's a rate. Correct? X is concentration. Change in concentration with respect to time is a rate. That is proportional to x-axis. What is this? Concentration. What is concentration power? I can see it's 1. So what is order of reaction? Your answer is 1 given at option B.